In this video, I'm gonna teach you what is Afterpay in-store and how it works. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do to use Afterpay in-store and make payments in any store available inside of Afterpay is to download the latest version of the Afterpay app on your phone. With the latest version of the app, you will be able to use the menu at the bottom of the screen and switch over to the card tab where you can start setting up your Afterpay card. As long as you are approved for an Afterpay card, you will be able to browse through any of the available stores or retailers and choose a specific one that accepts in-store payments. They will be labeled with a special marking and you can click on them to make in-store payments. When you click on any store, you can do your usual payment installments as you wish, configure it as you like, and as long as you have an Afterpay card active, you will be able to use it on store after you add your card to a digital wallet like Apple Pay. You will be able to add your card to the most popular digital wallet services like Google Pay, Google Wallet, or your Apple Wallet. With that process done, go to the store and use the card that you generated on your digital wallet to make the payment as you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay in store and how it works. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.